I'm Mark Anthony at Maceau Law, your full-service law firm. Today I want to discuss some of the common concerns that potential clients like yourself have about seeing an attorney. How much is this going to cost me? I've never seen a lawyer before. How does this work? People that have anxiety about talking to attorneys. Well, I'm here today to help resolve those concerns for you. The number one concern that I've found that people have is money. How much is this going to cost me? Well, here at Maceau Law, whether you see myself or any of the other lawyers here at the firm, our first initial consultation is free. We have a free 30-minute consultation with you. We don't think it's right to charge you for when you come to talk to us to see if we have a solution for you. It would be like going to a grocery store and looking at paper towels or toilet paper and being charged just to go look and see if you actually wanted to buy it. We just don't think that's right. So here we have a free consultation. Now what about after the consultation, you may be wondering? Well, we have found that after going to court and actually having a hearing on the issue, that we are one of the most affordable law firms in all of Colorado Springs. In fact, the court found that we underbill our clients. That's a benefit to you. We don't feel like it's right to overcharge you for work that we're doing, and that will never happen. Now, what about situations where you don't have money and it's a personal injury type of case, for example? We do contingency fee cases all the time where we basically don't get paid unless you get paid. That's how it works. It's contingent upon you receiving money for your damages. That's our payment, and that's how it works. The second concern that people have is inconvenience. Some people's concerns orbit around the idea of being inconvenienced. Oh, I have to set aside all this time to deal with this lawsuit now. I have to go see my attorney. I have to go to court. I have to come up with all these documents that I really don't want to bother with. Well, that's some of the inconvenience, right, of attending court and coming up with some of those documentations are part of the cost of doing it. But the benefit is that you have your rights represented and protected. That's more important to me than a little bit of inconvenience. Moreover, as your attorney, I step into your shoes. I represent you, and I can go to court on your behalf, sometimes where you don't even have to attend, where I go for you. Moreover, the benefit that comes from seeking legal counsel outweighs any cost that it could be. I'll tell you a story. When I was in college, I used to have a huge comic book collection. I had over 2,000 comic books. Had thousands of baseball cards, signed basketball by the Houston Rockets championship NBA team, signed baseballs by Ken Griffey Jr. and other major league players. I had it all in the storage unit. I had it there for a year and a half. When I came there to see it after a year and a half, I opened the door and everything was stolen. It was all gone. My friend's jaw dropped to the floor, and I went to the property management company and said, hey, this is what's happened, all of my items are stolen. And they said, well, you signed a contract waiving any liability on our behalf if anything was stolen. So sorry, but we can't do anything for you. Someone suggested that I see an attorney, and I wish I had, but I was concerned about money. I was concerned about inconvenience, and so I didn't. That collection was worth over $80,000. And I didn't know then, but what I know now is that if someone was negligent in their duty, that the contract is breached. So if that property management company had not had cameras as they said they should have, or they didn't have the security officer there when he should have, or they left the gate open, or they did a number of things that were negligent on their side, then they would have been liable to me and would have had to have paid the damages, even though it said that in the contract. So again, I know from personal experience that you can miss out on a lot of benefits if you don't look past the small cost. Another issue that may arise is this going to help? You know, is an attorney going to be helpful to me? Well, the answer to that, you never know unless you try. And I would put it to you. Please come see us for a free consultation. Discuss with us your challenge, your problem. We are problem solvers. We love a good problem because we want to be able to help you. So I think coming to see us is well worth the time, the inconvenience, and the first consultation is free. Thank you for your time. My name is Mark Anthony at Maceau Law. You deserve a break.